Tama na. Go na.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 6 and we want to introduce ourselves members of this Python project. The leader of the group, Ryan Lagdaan, and the members, Marlo Clemeno, Neil Asher Villarreal, Ian J. Riolo, and Merchant. So now, I'm going to explain about the class bank account in Python program. Our project, class bank account that I usually created are generally purpose, specialize the client. So first step, yung ginawa po namin is we do a class bank account and also using define function. Using init with difficult argument results. These keywords using Python to initialize attributes of the class with an object that class created. This step is followed by initialize self the balance as 0. So simple niyan dito sa line 1, class bank account, line 2 hanggang sa self transfer. Line 5, so yun na po yung purpose. Sa step 2 naman, gumawa ako ng function of self and deposit siya as amount of monies taken by an self balance plus equal amount from example sa line 7 and line 10, 11 hanggang sa print line 13.
Kirayan naman, boss.
I-cut ko na muna.
Cut mo. Kirayan naman kami run.
Pag nag-thumbs up ako, G na yan.
Hindi ko yan mababayad. Sige, i-record